The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by FX, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Nvidia gained 0.8% on Thursday, closing at $132.83, as investors reacted to continued AI investment from major tech firms like Meta and Microsoft. The UK stock market index traded at around 8,700 British pounds on Friday, weighed down by weak earnings and mixed economic signals. WTI crude oil futures fell below $61 per barrel on Friday, heading for its first weekly decline in three, pressured by the potential for OPEC to raise crude production. The Swiss franc edged lower, towards 0.83 per dollar, as mounting expectations of further monetary easing by the Swiss National Bank weighed on the currency. Ether traded above $2,700 this Friday, fueled by strong technical momentum, with analysts highlighting its multi-month recovery and bullish price action. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the retail sales for April, following 0.4% in March. At 12:30 p.m., the retail sales in Canada are expected to increase, after reaching -0.4% in February. At 2 p.m., the US will release figures for the new home sales of April, following 7.4% in March. Monday's major economic events. At 7 a.m., Spain to release the annual producer price inflation for April, following 4.9% in March. At 12:30 p.m., the manufacturing sales in Canada are expected to increase, after reaching -1.4% in March. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the Consumer Confidence Index of May, following 93.8 in April.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.